Yes, now we are discussing about leather and rubber leather and rubber business ideas. In that today we are discussing about rubber mats manufacturing. By increasing restaurants, hotels and households creates a large demand for these plastic rubber made carpets, tablecloths and floor mats easy to wash and maintain and disposable after a certain period of time. A mere wipe with soapy water is well sufficient to clean. And next point is plastic rubber carpets are coming with various attractive designs which are used to decorate your places. Investment of 2 lakhs required to purchase manufacturing machines, chemicals and other raw materials. But now it has been increased to 4 lakhs. Next point is how is rubber flooring made? Rubber flooring is made from the natural tree rubber or from synthetic materials like recycled vehicle tires. Rubber tiles are one of the sturdiest materials in the market. They are virtually impervious to water, naturally resist stains and are resilient to scuffing. And next point is how do you mold a rubber floor mat? Place the mat onto a large place of plastic or plexiglass. Assemble of a box of 1x4 boards around the mat, leaving 1 inch of empty space between the mat and boards on all sides. Use hot glue to attach the box to the plastic surface. See all the joints where element may leak with hot glue. Allow the glue to cool. And next point is how long does rubber flooring last? 20 years. A well cared for rubber floor can last for up to 20 years or more. If you are using domestically, it will increase up to 30 years also. But means for every simple damage you need not replace. The rubber works well in high traffic spaces and is less likely to scuff, dent, tear or wear than other floor coverings. Rubber is a very low maintenance flooring option. And next point is what are rubber floor mats made of? Rubber floor mats made of 10% nitrily are built to withstand ongoing heavy traffic, extreme temperature variations and rigorous cleaning processes. This makes rubber mats ideal for a variety of locations including office buildings, production facilities, schools and other heavily trafficked areas. And next point is how do you keep car mats clean in the winter? Here are 5 winter car cleaning tips to help avoid a slushy mess. Cover up. Using floor mats in your car can help prevent snow, salt and sand from being ground into the carpet. Remove trash. Car cleaning starts in the inside. On the inside, vacuum, wipe it down, keep it out. And benefits of rubber. Benefits and advantages. Natural rubber has been used as a versatile material in engineering for many years. It combines high tensile and tear strength within an outstanding resistance to fatigue. To achieve the properties required for a given product, raw material rubber can be compounded. And next point is what is the natural rubber used? It is also used in hoses, automotive parts, foam mattresses and battery boxes. However, thanks to its adhesive properties, natural rubber is also found in rubber cement and the soil stabilization materials used around new roads. Even raw rubber is sometimes used for adhesives and as part of shoe soles. The next point is how is rubber made today? Natural rubber is made by extracting liquid sap called latex from certain types of tree. These trees are native to South America but are today commonly found in Southeast Asia. Latex is gathered from the trees by making a cut in the bark and collecting the rummy sap in cups. This process is called tapping. This is the information regarding rubber mats manufacturing. It is also most important, but manufacturing is easy, but location and place is also most important, and workers and staff is required. The machinery may come around 5 lakhs, but the investment on you should maintain a capital reserve for up to 1 year. You should, without having any benefits and profits also, you should run this with regular supply. Then only it will be successful, because rubber mats manufacturing is easy, but selling is very difficult. Distributors and dealers and suppliers should be there, and you should handle marketing also. If you do all these things talentfully, it will run successfully, because mats are necessary to all, but they will take domestically once in a month. You can get 5 lakhs of business, and in up to 3-4 months you may not get anything. That time you should be resisting with your capital reserve only, so that you should have capital reserves very much, and as well as you should maintain a project documentation also, how to start, where to start, when to start, and what are the manpower you should recruit, and what is the machinery you should purchase, and all these things. If you are having a project report in MS Word document, then it is very good to you. Then you can run it easily. Once for project is starting means you should not research. Only you should implement your project documentation only, step by step, step by step, step by step. Then it will be successful. It gives a very good profit and benefit and relaxation to your mind also, for you and your family and your relatives and to the nation also. Wishing you all the best.